Hi, this is Suchadatta, SST teacher, picking up the 6th chapter of History Class 9, Peasants and Farmers. Well, the chapter deals with a very important segment of the community, that is the peasants or the farmers. They are the ones who are in fact the granaries of the world. They are the ones who feed this world. As a very important quote says, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, said by Lal Bahadur Shastri, when he actually meant that if the soldiers guard the outside of the country, it is the farmers who actually protect inside by actually producing crops for the mouths to feed. But before I start with the chapter, let's talk about new terms and important personalities about which we are going to talk about in the chapter. The first important term is bushel. Bushel is in fact the measure of capacity. Then we have shilling. Shilling is English currency, that is the currency of England. Sod. Sod are the pieces of earth which have grass grown over them. Then we have mond. Mond is the measure of weight, that is the grains are actually weighed in monds. When we had the bushel, it was the measure of capacity, and mond is the measure of weight. Then we have opium trade. Opium trade is that when the smuggling of opium started in China by various countries, that's called as the opium trade. The opium made the Chinese people weak and also addicted to opium. It's also called as the triangular trade because from India the tea was taken, and this is how from India to England and from England to China.